In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete Facebook history. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then tap right here at search icon to go to search. It will show you some recent searches here, and the easiest way to clear our search history is tap at See All, and then first of all we can filter our history by searches and visits, just like that. If you would like to delete some search or visits, you can just tap at cross icon next to it. However, we can also tap at Clear All to clear our entire history in one click, just like that. Also, we can configure auto clearing of our search history. To do that, go to Menu, then tap at Gear to open up Settings and Privacy, and then tap right here to go to Meta Account Center. Then tap at Your Information and Permissions, and then Search History. If we tap right here at Keep Searches For, we'll be able to configure Auto Clear Search History tool. If you would like to just keep your searches for 3 days, you can tap right here. And also we can set it to 7 days, 14 days or 30 days. That's how you can easily delete Facebook search and visits history.